I'm Krunal Vasoya, Director at Applied Auto Parts Private Limited. Applied Auto Parts Private Limited is a company based in Rajkot, Gujarat. It was founded in the year 1981 by Mr. Deepakbhai Patel, Mr. Rajlal Vasoya and late Mr. Dineshbhai Javia. Applied Auto Parts is a Tier 1 automotive component supplier to the leading OEMs in the country, and our esteemed customers include Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles, Bharat Benz Commercial Vehicles, JBM Auto, Evtech and Rajeshri Engineering. Being in business with the OEMs is a very demanding job in these years. We have to be constantly on our toes and supply parts in a very short lead time, and top-notch quality is a very basic requirement of all OEMs. And to meet these requirements of the customer, we have expanded our manufacturing facility, for which we have a very good support from the BFW team. We purchased our first BFW machine in the year 2010. We were very much impressed with the design of their pellet changer, and a main plus point was their low maintenance. Due to low maintenance, we were able to supply parts to our customer without failing in our commitment. So after that, in the past 10 years, we have added 20 more machines. Currently we have 25 total BFW machines, and we are looking forward to get into this journey with BFW as our partner, and hope we grow together.